Hi, I'm Mix for UConn Tech. I'm with Drew and Bloggy and Ria. We are with Mr. Aliaba with his new gadget, the very
Logitech
yes.
Acer Bluetooth mouse.
Okay, what does it do aside from being a mouse?
Nothing.
It's a paperweight. Kind of heavy. It should serve as a paperweight. That's all.
It attracts attention.
Yeah, it attracts attention because of its price.
Mhm. How much is it?
It is 2,300 pesos
And why did you buy it?
because I can.
Ah,
Sinabi talaga.
Because I'm a dumbass who has money.
okay, so would you recommend buying one to other HP Pavilion users?
Yes,
Or-
because what makes it different from other mice is it runs on Bluetooth.
Okay.
So it's more stable, more accurate compared to mice that depend on infrared and the ball thing.
Wala na daw.
So it's more accurate.
Tagal din.
It's good especially for gamers and digital artists.
Okay, why not? I'm sorry. Why not buy it?
Why not buy it? If you can't afford it, you shouldn't buy it.
You are not me.
Yeah, if you're not me, don't buy it. And don't buy it if your computer doesn't have Bluetooth.
You are Ria. Don't buy it.
It will be rendered useless if your computer doesn't have Bluetooth.
Okay.
It could still serve as a paperweight, like I said.
Very expensive.
Bye.
Visit my site. Please visit my site, ageva.com/blog. And if you play Dota, visit dotastrategy.com.
Thanks, Drew.